This is the Cascade of Freedom. This is the historic part. And in 1920, Alexander Taman was the person who created this project. Because
When it was?
1920.
Oh, okay.
And before Yerevan, there was 8 more capital cities to the Armenia.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Cascade Hotel. Ay, cute ng cars. Cute. Ang cute nun eh, oh. Chubby. From Georgia. See, it's written.
Really?
Yeah.
Very healthy, this one?
From Georgia. From the president of Georgia, Salome Zurab Javel. I think this kind of pine tree different smell, no? Not the other.
Oh.
Yes. This is pine tree, you see? The shape. Christmas tree is pine tree.
I think this tree tower looks familiar for you.
Bilisan nyo kasi maglakad para hindi tayo mainitan. Para tayong walang gana lahat, ganun tayo.
Mountain border of Georgia and Armenia. Sorry, Georgia, Armenia and Turkey.
Ano ba itong tourist? Armenia and Turkey.
Oh, ang daming trees.
Welcome to our new tour guide. Then they got
blue one.
same. The blue one is the land of Armenia, and the orange one is the courage of the work and people. But what about the Georgian flag? Do you have any idea what's the symbol of the Georgian flag?
All is cross.
Yeah, but do you know what's behind it? So there is a 5 crosses, right?
Yeah.
The biggest one is the Jesus Christ in the middle. And small ones are Matthew, Mark, John, Lucas from the Bible.
Pasok tayo dyan. Sa ilalim yan may fire.
Hindi na makita yung mountain.
Sa loob. Pabalik na tayo sa car. Nandun yung mga pine trees ulit. Ang ganda dito. Sarap. Ayun, may Armenian flag. Ayun siya. Okay, going to the Blue Mosque. Blue Mosque to. Yung taas niyan, color blue. History of the Blue Mosque is there. mosque is there. Not that one. That's the entrance. Oh, very nice. Oh, the roses. Ang ganda ng rose. Daming roses. Big. OMG, the roses are so big. Light red, dark red, and white. Natin sa Pinas. Ayan. Pero ang old na nitong church na to.
So it sits on the two horses. The two horses represents the Armenia when it was separated on the two parts. This is the urban park for the kids.
Daytime at Republic Square. Yes. Sa kagabi, oh. So ngayon daytime tayo. Walking tayo dito sa Republic Square. May mga kainan dyan. Mario. Kukunin niya yung dough. Ayan. Tapos lalagay niya dito sa mainit.
Meron pa lang bubble gum flavor.
Horse, cow, Carabao, may Carabao na dyan. Buffalo.
Ano yun ko? Panda?
Sige na kayo.
Nasa Maidan Place kami.
Dito nyo. Pag dito kayo.
Ba't
Yan
na
na
lang? Yan, may mga kainan pa dyan.
So guys, how much topping for this food guys? Middle wicket.
May Baskin sila dito. Baskin Robbins. Paintings. Yan, ng restaurant. The Unis. Styles and House. We want to order. May banda pa.
Good morning.
Last it's cold. Pauwi na. Yun yung sinakyan namin. Guys, dumating na kami dito sa Jeddah. So, ito papunta na kami sa may immigration. Sakay kami ng train. Then sa immigration. Dumating na yung mga pagkain namin. Nakuha na lahat. Kompleto na.
Nailo nga din. Buti maganda yung gamot.
Welcome, Tervetuloa. Welcome to Jeddah. Back to Jeddah. And